Most people think of a Nixie Tube clock as just a retro decoration, but the Nixie Star Authentic Nixie Tube clock bundle with spare Nixie tube, motion temperature humidity sensors, dual RGB LED backlight, alarm clock, visual effects IN-14 olive ash actually solves a different problem. It's for the person who wants a conversation piece that's also quietly functional, not just a static display. It's not necessarily the best digital clock, but it's the one that doesn't feel like just another piece of plastic tech. When you walk into the room, you expect your clock to just be there, showing the time. But instead, it's dark. You have to wave your hand to get the Nixie Star Authentic Nixie Tube clock bundle with spare Nixie tube, motion temperature humidity sensors, dual RGB LED backlight, alarm clock, visual effects IN-14 olive ash to wake up thanks to its sophisticated motion sensor. It's a bit of a dilemma for clock designers. Do you keep the lights on all the time, wasting energy, or do you turn them off and make them hard to see? This Nixie clock chose the motion sensor route. You can see this choice reflected in the inclusion of the sophisticated motion sensor feature, and that means the clock only activates when you're actually near it, which is a neat trick for energy saving and a bit of theater. The authentic IN-14 Nixie tubes are not soldered onto the board, making them easy to replace whenever necessary. That's a smart design choice. It means if a tube does eventually give out, you're not out of luck. Plus, each of our Nixie tube clocks includes an extra tube, ensuring longevity and convenience. So you get 2 tubes total, which is pretty good. The built-in temperature and humidity sensors provide you with essential information about your surroundings, combining utility with the vintage Nixie charm. So it's not just telling time, it's giving you a little environmental snapshot. And the vivid dual RGB LED backlight offers a full color palette to illuminate the Nixie tubes to fit your mood or decor. So, who is this Nixie Star Authentic Nixie Tube clock bundle with spare Nixie tube, motion temperature humidity sensors, dual RGB LED backlight, alarm clock, visual effects IN-14 olive ash for? Is for someone who appreciates the aesthetic and wants a bit of tech flair without it being the centerpiece of their smart home. The ceiling for this clock is probably for someone who wants a single unique desk item. If you need multiple synchronized time zones or complex smart home integration, you'll outgrow this pretty quickly. But most people just want one striking clock. This is what the channel does, one product examined properly. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the timing works for you.